Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Armada versus the Tahoe. Choosing a full-size SUV involves many factors, from power to passenger comfort and advanced features. We will explore how these two popular vehicles stack up against each other. Get ready for a detailed look at their strengths and what makes each one a great choice for different drivers and their families. When it comes to raw power, both the Armada and Tahoe deliver. The Nissan Armada features a robust 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, generating 425 horsepower. The Chevrolet Tahoe offers a range of powerful engines, including a 5.3-liter V8, a 6.2-liter V8, and an efficient 3.0-liter Duramax diesel. Both vehicles are capable of towing over 8,000 pounds, making them excellent choices for hauling trailers or boats. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and utility for families. The Chevrolet Tahoe leads in maximum cargo volume, offering an impressive 122.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The Nissan Armada provides a generous 97.1 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. Both vehicles comfortably accommodate 7 to 8 passengers, ensuring everyone has room to stretch out on long journeys. Considering fuel efficiency, the Tahoe's available 3.0-liter Duramax diesel engine stands out, achieving up to 28 highway miles per gallon. The Armada's twin-turbo V6 offers up to 20 highway miles per gallon, which is respectable for its class. Both SUVs offer strong value, but your ideal choice depends on specific needs like towing, cargo, or fuel economy. Check the description for links to these vehicles and other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.